Man accused of assaulting a pregnant hospital worker to appear in court Monday after authorities say he assaulted a pregnant hospital employee during a chaotic incident at a state-run medical facility in Massachusetts, raising renewed concerns about staff safety in healthcare settings. The suspect, identified as Eduardo Crusetta, has been charged in connection with an altercation that took place at Tewksbury Hospital, where officials say he became increasingly aggressive while visiting a family member experiencing a medical emergency. Crusetta is scheduled to be arraigned in Lowell District Court, where he will formally face charges including assault and battery with a dangerous weapon and assault and battery on a public employee. According to investigators, the incident began when Crusetta arrived at Tewksbury Hospital to visit a relative who was reportedly suffering from a medical episode. Officials say the situation quickly escalated as Crusetta began acting erratically inside the hospital room. Witnesses told authorities that Crusetta became increasingly agitated and allegedly made threats against hospital staff, at one point warning that he would kill employees. Hospital security personnel were called to the scene and made multiple attempts to de-escalate the situation and remove him from the room. However, officials say those efforts were unsuccessful. During the confrontation, Crusetta allegedly pushed a large chair toward a pregnant staff member, striking her in what authorities have described as a dangerous and unprovoked act. The condition of the staff member has not been publicly disclosed, but the incident has drawn strong concern given her pregnancy and the potential risk posed by the alleged assault. Authorities responded quickly, and Crusetta was taken into custody at the scene without further incident. Following his arrest, Crusetta was charged with multiple offenses, including assault and battery with a dangerous weapon, a serious charge that reflects the use of an object capable of causing harm, as well as assault and battery on a public employee. He is expected to appear in court for his arraignment, where prosecutors will outline the allegations against him, and a judge will determine the next steps in the case, including bail conditions. If convicted, Crusetta could face significant penalties under Massachusetts law. The incident has once again placed a spotlight on safety conditions at Tewksbury Hospital, a state-operated facility that has faced ongoing debate over how to protect staff members from violence. The hospital, which operates under the Massachusetts Department of Public Health, serves a diverse patient population, including individuals with complex medical needs, mental health conditions, and, in some cases, those involved in the criminal justice system. Because of the nature of its patient population, staff members often face challenging and unpredictable situations. In response to previous incidents, the hospital recently implemented new safety protocols designed to better equip staff in handling violent or disruptive individuals. However, those new policies have not been without controversy. Some nurses and healthcare workers have criticized the updated procedures, arguing that they do not go far enough to ensure their safety or that they place too much responsibility on staff to manage potentially dangerous situations. Advocates for healthcare workers say incidents like the one involving Crusetta highlight the urgent need for stronger protections, including increased security presence, better training, and clearer protocols for dealing with violent behavior. Experts say violence against healthcare workers is a growing concern across the United States, with hospital staff often facing threats, verbal abuse, and physical assaults while performing their duties. They note that hospitals must strike a delicate balance between providing compassionate care and maintaining a safe environment for employees and patients alike. The alleged assault at Tewksbury Hospital underscores the risks healthcare workers can face, even in situations that begin as routine visits or medical emergencies. Authorities have not released additional details about the family member Crusetta was visiting or the nature of the medical episode that preceded the incident. The case remains under investigation, and officials have not ruled out the possibility of additional charges, depending on the findings. As Crusetta prepares to face a judge, the incident serves as a stark reminder of the challenges faced by frontline healthcare workers and the importance of ensuring their safety in high-pressure environments. For now, the focus remains on the legal process and the well-being of the staff member involved, as the community awaits further developments in a case that has once again brought attention to the issue of workplace safety in hospitals.